Hello you guys. In today's video, we are gonna try not to fall asleep.
We go to take it, just like we know.
And at $3 million, I might have to take one of your cars. Bye, Frida.
Alrighty, we are awake, we are fully functioning, and we are headed to the
gym.
The gym! That's right! So it's gonna be super excited. We were gonna do legs, but we are running very low on time, so we are instead gonna do a quick back session. Hey Ryan.
Yeah.
I used to swim there.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, Gesundheit, you feeling swole there, buddy?
Oh yeah.
Alright, it is time for us to get on our way. We have less than 1 hour to eat lunch, get ready, get dressed, do our makeup, epilate our legs. I am running out of time. Okay, makeup is done. Time to go get dressed. Alright, so this is the outfit that I'm gonna wear for today, for the rehearsal dinner. I got a nice little shirt on, some nice jeans, and some fancy shoes. Alrighty, you guys, we are en route to the venue for the practice ceremony, whatever you call it. Feeling kind of nervous, kind of freaking out low-key, but it's gonna be okay, according to this guy right here, so I'm gonna take his word for it. We're gonna be about 20 minutes early, which is awesome. The only downside of it is that means I can't stop at the bakery that I was hoping to, or the nursery that I was hoping to, so maybe next time?
Or afterwards.
Or after! I think they might be closed by then.
Oh.
But maybe we'll raid it! Alrighty, we made it.
All right. So all of these little pods here are Japanese maple seeds. So whatever this is, just a standard red Acer palmatum, and so each of these contains one, or most of them are 2 seeds. So yeah.
So what you're trying to say is we're gonna grow a forest.
Yes.
There was like one for the wedding.
Oh, for the...
She said like brown.
It was good.
Yeah.
Anything.
I thought that. I was like, well, it's like the
Yeah, yeah.
The wedding rehearsal is over. I guess it's not too complex or time consuming to learn how to walk down an aisle. So we are on our way to the nursery and maybe even to the bakery afterwards. So I am very excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah! Look what I just found. It's this Scooby-Doo van. Woohoo! We have arrived. Fun fact about this nursery, I found out about it because of my now sister-in-law. It was her favorite nursery in college. Nice. A couple weeks before her wedding, we actually came here together and chose some succulents that she would later use at the bridal shower. This variegated schlafera that you see over there is one houseplant that I hope to add to my collection in the near future. It is gorgeous, much like this peperomia that you see, and all these rubber plants. This fern, however, kind of took the cake for its unique foliage, as well as this lilac-y pink tricolor. They had recently, and I mean like that day, just got a shipment of new houseplants, so all of these little guys that you see are super fresh and ripe for the picking. They were, well, I mean, there was just a lot of stiff competition on the planty front. Hopefully the backlight in this isn't too intense for you guys to take in all the beauty of those little guys. But what really piqued my interest were these essentially air plant orchids. I know air plants are epiphytes, and so they're able to kind of grow on things like bark, but seeing them kind of all organized like that was pretty awe-inspiring. I would say that this nursery is probably most well known for its variety of succulents as well as its awesome selection of indoor plants, but we're heading outside so you guys can kind of bask in all of the glory of these little critters. My favorite was this crocodile looking fella. Immediately when I saw it, I heard the Peter Pan crocodile making the little tick-tock noises and ran. All right, so we decided not to go to the bakery after the nursery just because traffic was
Terrible.
Okay, fine, that's one way to put it.
It was really bad.
It was horrible.
Like 30 minutes to go 5 miles.
Exactly. Literally 30 minutes to go 5 miles. So I was not about that life. I was like, let's just go back to the pups. We'll go to that bakery some other time. But in any case, I got some plants that I was hoping to show you guys, starting off with this Roeo tricolor. And it's gorgeous. It has this kind of lilac-y, pinky leaf tones on it, and I simply could not pass it up because it's just so striking. Next up, I got 2 calatheas, also known as their prayer plants, starting off with the Calathea Dottie, and this is a pretty little pinky strawberry colored one, and of course it has the signature purple undersides of the leaves. I just thought it was beautiful and I could not say no to it. And then the second Calathea I was literally just looking at last night, and it's the Calathea ornate, I believe, ornata, and it has this really dark green leaf with some pink, like baby pink pinstripes on it. It was just beautiful. And then of course the underside of the leaf is purple as well, so I just love it. And then there's one more mystery plant that I'm going to show you, but I have to pause the video real quick because it's on the floor between my feet. So this next plant has quite a backstory to it. We don't really know much about it. We spoke with the buyer directly on it, and she basically said that all she knows is that it's a Senecio variety and that she hasn't seen one like it before. Any other input, Ryan?
She said it was a new variety, and when she went to the place, the grower, wherever they buy their plants from, he said it was a new one that they had, and he didn't even know what variety it was.
Yeah, so long story short, this is a mystery Senecio. We don't know what type it is. However, I'm going to say that it's a watermelon grape Senecio because that's literally what it looks like. It's fantastic little, literally miniature watermelon grapes growing out of here, and it has a ton of flowers growing out of it. It's a cascading variety. It likes full sun, and just treat it basically and literally like every other succulent out there. But let me know in the comments down below if you've seen a plant like this before, a Senecio like this before, and if you have, please let me know the name of it, because so far everyone that I have spoken to about this plant is baffled. So my brother's wedding is tomorrow. I haven't hemmed the dress. I somehow thought that I could glue the fabric and have it hemmed. Doesn't work. This is my dress. I am now trying to just cut it evenly enough so that it doesn't look as jagged as it currently is, and then hoping that people won't notice that the hem is not sewn, not glued, not sealed. It's only gotta last a day. It's only gotta last a day. Now you have a magical close-up of the mess that is the hem of my dress. The cringe is palpable on this sucker. He is unconvinced that the fabric glue did not work, so now he is gonna try it. What was that noise that you just made? Was that an uncertain grunt that you just made?
No.
Potential acknowledgement that it in fact does not work?
No.
I'm sensing some breakage. My unconvinced partner is now doing a second trial test. And would you look at that? After firmly holding down, it does not stay. Okay, so it is sewn up. Oh, no. Okay, well, I think that I have it as good as it's gonna get. think it's gonna be okay. And if not, it's an outdoor wedding, so hopefully there's a breeze and my dress will just look extra flowy.